Alrighty, I finally have the Marineland video for you guys. I know it's slightly delayed. A lot was going on with booking a big vacation that Surya and I are going on, so I'm super excited about that. But let's get right into it. You guys don't care. Marineland. Who is buying Marineland? Well, we think we may have found the official buyers, or someone who has definitely shown a lot more interest than other parks and actually taken a step forward to entering into Canada to operate a theme park. And it just makes sense. Now, I'm going to forewarn you, any animal lovers in here, you're not going to like what's possibly about to happen. So over on what do you call it? A trademarks database through WIPO Madrid. They filed a United Parks and Resorts trademark in Canada. And the reason that they filed this is to operate a parks or resort inside Canada. So unlike other theme park companies who do have trademarks in Canada, but they have it under marketing and merchandise and sales, United Parks and Resorts is the first American park to enter the Canadian trademark database and distinctly file under the category 35 and 41 under the services category, business management services, namely management of amusement parks, promoting public awareness of wildlife habitat conservation, natural resources conservation, animal zookeeping, science, ecology, rescue and rehabilitation, and animal care. Charitable services, namely organizing and developing projects and initiatives to promote awareness of ocean, beach, and marine protection and conservation. Charitable services, namely organizing and conducting community service projects and promotional events. Then they have amusement park services, providing amusement parks, providing amusement facilities, amusement park and theme park services, entertainment services, namely arranging for ticket reservations for water parks and amusement centers, entertainment information, providing information relating to the organizing of educational, cultural, and entertainment exhibit. Woo! Tongue twister. I lost my breath. So with that being said, this was filed all around the time frame that Marineland was essentially discussing that they had a party that was interested in operating / co-managing the park with them. So with the passing of Marie, we know that there was some sort of stall, and we, based off of that committee hearing / meeting that they had on Marineland, there's been some rezoning and to secure funds to remove the animals. Now, based off of what we're seeing here, I would piece together the ultimate puzzle that United Parks and Resorts, which, by the way, if you don't know, they're the owners of SeaWorld brand and Busch Gardens, is probably going to be the buyer of Marineland or co-managing it. So managing the park while the sons or daughters of Marie own the property. So with that being said, I definitely think United Parks and Resorts is going to start investing in essentially refurbishing the park, possibly building a water park and maybe some dry park rides as well. There has already been some sort of sign of that. There was an image that leaked online of the dolphin show at the front gate area. I know that an activist posted online that it was finally getting demolished. Well, if you looked closely, they were actually holding it up as they ripped down just the facade of the structure there, the decor, almost the theming. And that makes sense and aligns with a possible refurbishment. And you're not going to refurbish the dolphin show exhibit unless you, one, got funds to continue your operations and you're going to continue those shows, or your United Parks and Resorts like SeaWorld, who has shows and the rehabilitation programs and the animal care programs, and you're going to go down that route. So there's definitely a lot of signs that are pointing to it definitely looks like it's going to be SeaWorld and United Parks and Resorts. They are the first, again. There are parks like Universal and Disney who have trademarks in here, but this is the first American park that has specifically trademarked to operate a theme park in Canada. So we're definitely keeping our eyes open. We should have some footage of Marineland very shortly to show some of the refurbishment projects that are going on. And we'll let you know if there's any land animal removals that have taken place, as I fully suspect that's what we're going to see being removed from the park, and they're going to keep those marine mammals. Again, I know that might be upsetting to some of you, but I'm just presenting what I think and know based off of what we've found. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Comment down below what you would like to see SeaWorld, if they are the new owners, build first, taking over Marineland. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Bye.